Forecast. 100% chance of disrespect.
Oh, look, autopilot with Wi-Fi.
Oh, look, manual mode panic.
You need a computer to fly.
You need a prayer.
You're a spreadsheet with wings.
You're a museum exhibit with updates.
I panic.
We know.
My landings are smooth.
Mine get applause.
They clap because they survived.
You fly low enough to read license plates.
Yeah!
I'm smarter, smoother, better.
And I still get picked every day.
What seems to be the problem?
I heard you're just a bit—
No!
You're a flying government building?
I have missile defense systems.
We have snacks.
Still need a pushback?
Yes,